Hi everyone, in this video I want to share with you how to start installation flooring in master bedroom, how to start, how to pass door jump in the hallway, how to pass door jump in the bathroom, how to pass radiant heater. And also I'll show you how to pass closet doorway. So if your apartment with high moisture, better use poly. You can buy in Home Depot or Lowe's. It's very easy. So first when you put it down, and then you can roll out underlayment. Underlayment, most of underlayments has a sticky side, and there is some little tape. When you put overlap and unstick this tape, you can glue this underlayment pieces together. Also I use painter tape, which I'm buying in Home Depot to stick these pieces together extra, and then put few boxes on top of the underlayment where you wanna start work. It's first of all keep out of moving this underlay, and also it's very easy to work. Then cut with laminate cutter if you have it, with different lengths, and then start from the wall. It's not really important keep like water from the wall. Just keep going. It doesn't matter how far you start from the walls, and you can slide this all boards to the wall and put some spacers, like I'll do it very soon. For board installation, I always use a rubber hammer. Very comfortable work. It's you can hit the board. You see here is spacers. This is spacers special for laminate flooring. You can buy on Amazon or Home Depot sell it too. When you set up the spacers, slide all these boards which is already installed tied to the spacers, and then you can follow installation. When you come to other side to the wall, just flip the board and mark this pieces shorter 1/4. Very easy. This video I made fast recording, and if you wanna have a look on some details, you can find on YouTube a video on the right side. There is a gear. When you press on this gear, and you can make this video slower and watch all details if you're very interested. For laminate installation, I prefer to use small tools. I don't take skill saw, miter saw, table saw, because it's made so much dust in apartment or in house. For laminate floor, very easy to use laminate cutter. It's really fast to cut material. Also I use small circular saw. It's called Rockwell Versacat. I highly recommend. And jigsaw and undercut saw. That's it. Not much tools, and it's with this tool you can do everything with your installation. I forgot to say, sometimes you need drill, because you need to unscrew some screws from the radiator, or some screws on the door holders, so you need it. If you have heater radiator, easy to take off a few screws from the wall and lift it up. This radiator, it's make your job more easy. We have in any rooms always some trouble places like hallway, closets, doorways. So and you have to know how to pass it. For example, next step, how to pass the entrance to the washroom. Here is I put some little small piece to extend the board and make marks on this board. So you see, you have to leave very small side from the piece which has to be connected with main floor. Better 7 times measure and only 1 time cut. So when you did some cuts, check it. If it's not enough, one more measure, one more cut. Just sometimes need to 3-4 times to do it. To connect this piece with main floor, you have to cut off a lock, what I did already, and then glue this piece. There is left too much space between laminate and tile and need to put some small piece of extension. Otherwise it can't cover with transition. After, when you glue this board, secure it with tape. When you sliding board under the door jump, use pull bar, put it between door jump and laminate pieces It's help you to do it much more easy. In this case I spent more time to slide full board under the door jump because there is need to do stair and put nosing if and I didn't wanna make any connection there to avoid some squeaks when the people are walking there, so I put full board. To avoid some small gap under the door jump, I cut on the laminate piece bird tail and then slide it in under the door jump. Last narrow small piece you can set up is pull bar and hammer and laminate pieces. Here is another interesting place. Need to come inside the small closet, and not possible to put two boards together. What I did, first of all, I just measure one board, full board, and it's like a C shape, and then I install it. So why I can put two boards together, I didn't explain properly. So because length of the doorway more longer than two boards, so this is one board and should be another one. So what's the trouble here? What look, I put pull bar under the corner. What's the trouble? Because need to slide board under this wall. I undercut this wall already, and you can find my video. I did it like maybe 2 weeks ago, how to undercut with jump saw. So let's see, when I put second board, it's little short. So, and how install the short piece with small long sides. It's very hard. I'll show you the easiest way. So need to cut off lock on previous board. Put this piece first, and then put full piece and glue it together. Like I said before, so we just take off this full board, put this piece, slide it under the wall as much as we can. It should be little space between this piece and this long board, and I cut with knife side lock. That's it. Then put this piece back. Okay. And glue it and slide it this short piece back. That's it. For today, it's all tricks what I want to show you. After I install baseboards, this apartment looks really nice.